Namaskar everyone. Now today we'll start with the new chapter of partnership, that is retirement and death of a partner. First of all, we'll discuss about the retirement of the partner. As we already know that partnership is a mutual agreement among partners to carry on legal business. It can be formed at any time when two or more persons desire. In other words, partnership is always at will of partners. It is just possible that one of the partner may express his inability to continue in the partnership and request other partner to allow him to retire from the firm. So, as per the partnership at will, any partner expresses inability to continue in the partnership firm and request other partners to allow him to retire from the firm. That is called retirement of a partner. The following adjustments are made at the time of retirement of a partner. So in the coming slide we'll discuss about the following adjustment. First one is calculation of new and gaining ratio. Second, treatment of goodwill. Third, revaluation of asset and liabilities. Fourth, treatment of accumulated and undivided profit. Method of payment to retiring partner. And adjustment of a capital account. So these are the following 6 adjustments we'll see in the coming slides at the time of retirement of a partner. Now the first topic is calculation of new ratio and gaining ratio. Why we calculate new profit sharing ratio? Because at the time of retirement, the new partner, the remaining partner have to calculate their new ratio after the retiring of the partner. So ratio of remaining partner is known as new ratio, in which they share the future profit. And how you calculate the new share of the partner, that is new ratio, that is old plus acquired share. Acquired share means that is gaining ratio. So we can say like old share plus gaining share, or we can say old ratio plus gaining ratio. That is called the new share of the partners after the retirement of a partner. And how you calculate gaining ratio? The ratio in which the continuing partner has acquired the share from the retiring partner is called gaining ratio. And the formula of gaining ratio is new ratio minus old ratio, or we can say new share minus old share. So in the coming slide, we will discuss about the number of cases to calculate the new ratio as well as the gaining ratio. Case number first. ABC are partners in the firm in the ratio of 3:1. B retired from the firm, calculate new ratio and gaining ratio. Now in this question, B is retiring and nothing is given that to whom B is giving his share. So it is not given in the question that who will get the share of B, A or C. So what you will do in this case, the old ratio of A and C. B is already retired from the firm. So A and C share is 3:1. That is the old ratio, which will continue to be the new ratio and the gaining ratio of A and C. So if any partner retire from the firm and who will get the share of retiring partner is not given in the question, so the old ratio will continue to be the new ratio as well as the gaining ratio. So what you have to do here, you just eliminate the ratio of B from the old ratio, and the rest ratio, that is 3:1, will continue to be the new ratio as well as the gaining ratio of A and C. Now case number second. ABC are partners in the firm in the ratio of 3:1. C retire and his share is taken up by A and B equally. Now this is the additional information that his share is taken up by A and B equally. Calculate the new ratio and gaining ratio. So first of all, you have to calculate the gain of A and B. How you calculate the gain of A and B? First of all, you have to mention the share of C because C retire. So as per the old ratio, C share is 1/6, which is taken up by A and B equally. Equally means 1:1. That is 1/2 and 1/2. So you have to calculate the 1/2 of 1/6 and for B again 1/2 of 1/6. So A and B gain will be 1/12. Now you have to calculate the new ratio. I told you the formula of new ratio, that is old plus gaining ratio. So A old ratio is 3/6 and B old ratio is 2/6. Plus gaining ratio of A and B both is 1/12. So when you take the LCM and denomination, the ratio will be 7/12 and 5/12. So this is the new ratio of A and B, that is called 7:5. So these are the two cases related to calculation of gaining ratio and new ratio. And once again I am repeating here that new ratio formula is old plus gaining ratio, because whatever the old ratio of the partners are there, they are getting something from the retiring partner. So you have to add up the gaining ratio. So old plus gain is equals to new ratio, and when you have to calculate the gaining ratio, then you have to put the formula new minus old. In the previous chapter, we already discussed about the sacrificing ratio. The formula of sacrificing is old minus new, and the just opposite of that formula, that is new minus old, will be the gaining ratio. So this is about the two cases of sacrificing and gaining ratio. Thank you so much.